got something real. Might be selfish, but I just don't care. I swear. I just want you right here, always by my side. You and me together, baby, it's paradise. We can go wherever, ever. Leave them all behind. I'm giving you all my, keep giving you all my love. Keep giving you all my.
Nucleus, protons and neutrons, right? Now see, today we will discuss about atomic number and mass number. Understand and listen the video carefully, students. Atomic number is equals to number of protons present in the nucleus. Atomic number means number of atom. In the previous class we have discussed about, that is in class 7th, we have discussed about first 20 elements, hydrogen to calcium. So these are arranged in the series.
Leaves are the green flat structure.
Also about learning while playing. So let's play a game on addition. For playing this game, you need pack of cards and minimum 2 players. Okay?
So let us remove y. Okay, we will remove y and add I, E, I, E and S. Okay. So what we have done, we have just removed y and added I, E, S. Yes, we have just removed y and added I, E, S. Okay, understood? So, what is the plural of lady? Ladies. Lady.
Good morning to one and all present here. Today, I, Prachita of class 6, is going to tell you a beautiful story. My story name is The Honest Woodcutter. Long, long ago, in a small village, there lived a woodcutter. He used to cut the wood from the nearby forest. He cut the woods and sold it to earn some money. One day, while cutting the wood on the bank of river, accidentally his axe fell into the river. The river was very deep and fast flowing. Then the
इसका शीर्षक है समस्या का समाधान। मेरी यह कहानी कक्षा से आरंभ होती है। अध्यापिका कक्षा में पढ़ा रही होती है। तभी वह देखती है कि एक छात्र जिसका नाम काव्य है, वह बहुत चुप व उदास बैठा है, जबकि वह छात्र बहुत होशियार व खुश रहता था। कक्षा के बाद काव्य की अध्यापिका उसे बुलाती है तथा चुप व उदास रहने का कारण पूछती है, परंतु काव्य कोई उत्तर नहीं देता। अध्यापिका जानती है कि
also helps to correct our posture of body. Now I am going to do Balasana. It also
Australia lies entirely in the southern and eastern hemisphere. Now we will see the location also. See, in the world map, location of Australia is here. It is totally in southern and eastern hemisphere. Can you see the location of Australia? Yes, children. In the world map, Australia lies totally in southern and eastern hemisphere. Now, second point is Tropic of Capricorn. 23.5 degrees south passes almost through its middle. Now, Tropic of Capricorn we will observe. See, this is again a map of the world and we are observing the position of Australia. Now, see this red line is showing Tropic of Capricorn. Can you see this red line? It is passing through the middle of continent Australia. Means Tropic of Capricorn is passing through the middle of this continent known as Australia. It extends from 10 degrees south to 44 degrees south latitude. Now latitudinal extent we will see. Can you see this black circle at the corner?
Yes, ma'am.
See, this is the extent. Means from south it is showing 10 degrees south to 44 degrees south. It is starting from 10 degrees south to here 44 degrees south. Can you see this circle also? Yes, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Now in east-west direction, the region extends from 112. See, it is starting from 112 degree east to 154 degree east longitude. This is the latitude and longitude extent of this continent. Means in this area, the continent has been separate. The continent Australia has been separate in latitude 10 degrees south to 44 degrees south and in longitude 112 degree east to 154 degree east.
Into the test tube. Okay? Just a second. See, it is black in color. Okay, so carefully using a dropper, I'll be filling HCl into it, okay, and then I will heat it gently. Just a minute, let me show if you can see it. I'll show the evolution of gas, okay? My hands are not properly working actually. See, I've dropped HCl into it and then I'll be heating it gently.
I'm sorry for interrupting. Can you just push your laptop a little far?
Ma'am, see if it is visible or not.
Yes, ma'am, it is visible.
Okay. Now we will start heating it. Can you see how it is rising up?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now I'll show you the green color.
Okay, because plus minus is always minus.
We are getting 50 voice ma'am. Ma'am, please tell where we are because yesterday I was absent. Okay, Tanya, we are discussing one question that I have given them for homework. Okay, look attentively here. 7 minus 2 is 5. Wait. First of all, let me complete this. Now, what sign we have to put before 50? There's a problem now. What sign we will put before 50? We will put the sign of greater number. We will always put the sign of greater number. Now, who's greater? 125 or 175? Who's greater? You tell me.
To increase or decrease the resistance or voltage. Next is we have a battery, and what we have resistance, your fan, bulb, this we have kept a resistance here. Anything you can apply, that is a resistance. This is a Ohm's law apparatus which is used. Now in this experiment what we are going to study is that when we are going to change the value of the voltmeter, the value of the current will also change. Now we are adjusting it to, I am adjusting the voltmeter to, you can see here 0.5 volts. When the voltmeter reading is 0.5 volts, what is the ammeter reading? Ammeter reading is 5 milliampere. This is our first reading. Second reading is when I take the voltmeter reading to 1 volt, your 1 volt. Serial number 2, we take the voltmeter reading to 1 volt, the ammeter reading will be, the meter reading becomes 10 milli.
No, ma'am, understood.
Please write down, this is the way you are going to write the observations. Please complete it till I call them, okay? You can just complete it. Yes, class, just 5 minutes. Complete this practical. If you want the readings, I can still show you. They're on my board. You want the readings again? We will have other subjects practicals also today. Please stay over here till ma'am come now. Kanika ma'am or Renuka ma'am will take it over. We will do one more practical in physics today only. So this you have understood? Any problem?
No, ma'am, understood.
Please write down. This is the way you are going to write the observations. Please complete it till I call them. Okay? You can just complete it. Yes, class, just 5 minutes. Miss Kanika is taking your chemistry practical. Just give 5 minutes, okay? Till then, you complete this practical.
Observing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Tamanna, what is the observation? What you are observing? Yes, what is the observation? What we are observing here?
Ma'am, the
That
crystals are gently.
the molecules of crystals, they are diffusing slowly, and you can see the color of the water is changing slowly. First, the appearance was slightly red, and now it's becoming purple. You can see, right? Have you observed this thing?
Yes, ma'am.
Observed? See. So what would be the observation? That
My dear students, parents, teachers, administrative staff, and non-teaching staff. Good morning, my dear students. I thank God for the privilege of being in front of you all today as head of this wonderful institution, St. Paul's High School, as we celebrate its 46th Founders Day. I also take this opportunity to welcome both old and new student members as well as staff members with us today to celebrate this momentous occasion, which is a true testament of God's faithfulness, and we give Him all the glory. The founder of the school was Mrs. Catherine Mary Charles, who was a dynamic educationist, an experienced administrator, and a loving human being. She started her career as a military officer in the year 1946, and after retiring from the services, she joined the Convent of Jesus and Mary, Ambala Cant, and worked there for 25 years. As she loved children and still wanted to devote her life and her experience in the field of education, she opened her own school called Mrs. K. Charles's Nursery School, which was later renamed as St. Paul's High School.
Today I'm going to tell you about how to add school IDs in your phone. For that you have to search for Gmail icon in your phone. Like in my phone, it is installed in Google folder. So I will open Google folder, then I will click on Gmail. Then this screen will appear. On the top right corner there is a alphabet K. It is of my previous ID, that I am using in the phone. So I will click on that. After that this screen will appear. In this you have to click on add another account. This screen will appear. In this you have to click on Google. If your phone has any password, enter that password. Now it will redirect to Google Gmail sign up page. Now we will enter, you have to enter your ID. Suppose I am taking an example of h.goel@St. Paul's Ambala.org. Okay, click next. Then you have to enter the password 123 password, then next. Now click on I agree. Okay, so your account is created. Like, see here h.goel St. Paul's org is showing. Now what you have to do, click on that. You will see you will see the emails by Kiran Singla for class 5. These emails you have to open, and just you have to click on try chat in this email and join in this email. So for other in charges, they will get an email like this. Okay, for changing the password, click on H and manage your Google account. Okay, now click on personal info. Here password is showing. Click on that. Now enter your previous password that you have entered earlier also. Press next. Then you can change your new password. Okay, like I will keep this name. His name was Himank. I write Himank 123 here. Himank 123. Like this your password will be changed. Himank 1235656. Your password has been changed. Like this you have to change your password also. Okay, now I will tell you how to enter the classroom with this ID. Open Classroom that has been installed previously in your phone